Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, bringing you an update on my most recent giveaway. If you've participated in the past or this is your first time checking out a video or the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button on the YouTube page and hit the notification bell so you get updates when new information about the giveaway and videos come out. Here at the Love of Tech, we love to give away stuff in order to show our appreciation for helping our channel grow as quickly as it has. We're at 2,700 subscribers. We're going to do a giveaway as soon as we hit 3,000 subscribers. That's right. As soon as I hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and hold the giveaway for this Nintendo Switch. This guy right here was in my last giveaway, but the person that claimed it unfortunately was not the person that entered. So it's still up for grabs. It's free to enter. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. If you are looking for more ways to enter into the giveaway, watch any of my most recent videos from February of this year onward to today's date. Plenty of chances to win, multiple entries just hanging out around the corner. In addition to the Nintendo Switch, I'm also giving away a Samsung Galaxy S9. That's right, you heard me correct. Samsung's newest flagship phone is about to be yours in just a couple weeks. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, share the video, retweet, let people know about For the Love of Tech. The more videos you watch, the more entries you have, the better chance you have of winning. For the Love of Tech, namaste.